Hello everyone, my name is Akash Bhagat. Today, I am excited to share some valuable insights on how you can contribute to a greener planet by planting trees at home. Tree plantation is not only beneficial for the environment but also adds beauty and tranquility to your living space. Planting trees at home has numerous benefits. Trees improve air quality by absorbing pollutants and releasing oxygen. They provide shade, which can reduce your energy bills, and create a habitat for wildlife. Additionally, trees can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your property and even increase its value. The first step in tree plantation is choosing the right tree for your space. Consider your local climate, soil type, and the amount of sunlight your garden receives. Native trees are often the best choice as they are adapted to the local environment and require less maintenance. For example, if you live in a hot, dry climate, consider drought-resistant species. Once you've chosen your tree, it's time to prepare the planting site. Select a location with enough space for the tree to grow to its mature size. Ensure the site gets the right amount of sunlight for your tree species. Clear the area of weeds and debris, and dig a hole that is twice as wide and just as deep as the tree's root ball. Now, let's plant the tree. 1. Carefully remove the tree from its container, being gentle with the roots. 2. Place the tree in the center of the hole. Make sure the top of the root ball is level with the surrounding soil. 3. Fill the hole with soil, pressing down gently to eliminate air pockets. Water the tree thoroughly to help settle the soil. 4. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the tree, keeping it a few inches away from the trunk. Mulch helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Proper care is crucial for the tree's growth and health. Young trees need regular watering, especially during dry periods. Water deeply once or twice a week rather than frequent shallow watering. Maintain a mulch layer around the tree to conserve moisture and regulate soil temperature. Prune the tree to remove dead or damaged branches and to promote healthy growth. Prune during the dormant season for best results. Protect young trees from pests and animals. You can use tree guards or fencing if necessary. Keep an eye on your tree's growth and health. Look out for signs of pests or diseases, and address any issues promptly. As the tree matures, it will require less frequent watering and maintenance. Planting a tree at home is a rewarding experience that benefits both you and the environment. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy the beauty and advantages of having trees in your own backyard. Thank you for watching, and happy planting. If you have any questions or need further advice, feel free to reach out.
पापवृन्दम्
सानन्दमानन्द धवने वसन्तम् आनन्दकन्दं हितपापवृन्दम्
वाराणसीनाथ मम नाथनाथं श्रीविश्वनाथं शरणं प्रपद्ये
वाराणसीनाथं मम नाथनाथं श्रीविश्वनाथं शरणं प्रपद्ये
हर हर शम्भो शम्भो शिव महदेव शम्भो शम्भो शिव महदेव हर शम्भो शम्भो शिव महदेव शम्भो शम्भो शिव महदेव अवन्तिकायां विहितावतारं मुक्तिप्रदानाय च सज्जनानाम्
अवन्तिकायां विहितावतारं मुक्तिप्रदानाय च सज्जनानाम्
अकालमृत्यो परिरक्षणार्थं वन्दे महाकाल महासुरेशम्
अकालमृत्यु परिरक्षणार्थं वन्दे महाकाल महासुरेशम्
हर हर शम्भो शम्भो शिव महदेव शम्भो शम्भो शिव महदेव हर शम्भो शम्भो शिव महदेव शम्भो शम्भो शिव महदेव नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्माङ्ग